competition here in Baler, Aurora. Ayan. Parang baka naman dyan. Ayan. Nagsi-breakfast na ba kayo, guys? Okay naman ang gising? Okay naman yung gising nyo? Yan. Talaga naman dapat na may energy kayo because Sky Cable has combined 3 of our favorite activities today. And syempre, nandito tayo sa beach in Baler. Let's give a round of applause for the beach! Woo! Syempre, in a short while, we will be witnessing the best surfers in the country have fun under the sand and battle it out. And syempre, palakpakan naman natin lahat ng surfers na present ngayon dito sa Baler, Aurora. Ayan! And the competition all throughout the day will all culminate in a grand celebration tonight. So you guys are all expected to be there. Mamaya magpa-party-party tayo syempre after ng competition. Baldes! Ayan! Then palakpakan naman natin sila ulit at syempre palakpakan nyo mga sarili nyo guys. And now all there is to do is this. Surf's up and good luck. So, are you guys ready? Yon, mukhang konti pa kayo pero mamaya for sure pag madami na kayo, I'm sure mas exciting tong competition na to. So may the waves be ever in your favor. So let the games begin!